Hello, friends. What if I told you that there are creatures on this planet equipped with senses so astonishing they could make our human abilities seem limited? Imagine perceiving the world not just through sight and sound, but also through electrical fields, magnetic forces, and chemical signals. Nature is full of wonders that challenge our understanding, and today we'll dive into the extraordinary sensory adaptations of various animals that possess abilities beyond human comprehension. In the animal kingdom, survival often hinges on unique adaptations that allow species to thrive in their environments. While humans rely primarily on their five senses, many animals have evolved additional ways to perceive the world around them. From the electric sense of the platypus to the magnetic navigation of sea turtles, these adaptations reveal a hidden complexity in nature's design. Each of these creatures showcases not only the diversity of life forms, but also the remarkable ingenuity of evolution, allowing them to interact with their surroundings in ways we can barely fathom. What if you could sense the world around you, not just through sight and sound, but through electric fields? Meet the electric eel, a remarkable creature that can generate strong electric shocks to communicate, navigate, and hunt. Found in the murky waters of the Amazon and Orinoco River basins, electric eels are not actually eels, but rather a type of knife fish belonging to the family Gymnotidae. They possess the extraordinary ability to produce electricity thanks to specialized cells called electrocytes, which are stacked like batteries throughout their bodies. This unique adaptation allows them to generate significant voltages up to 600 volts in short bursts, enough to stun prey or deter predators. Electric eels have three different types of electrical discharges: low voltage, high voltage, and bursts of electricity that serve distinct purposes. The low voltage pulses, usually around 0.1 volts, are used for navigation and communication with other electric eels. They help these aquatic creatures to create a mental map of their environment, even in dark waters where visibility is limited. By emitting these electric signals, they can detect objects, other fish, and even the subtle movements of potential prey nearby. The high-voltage discharges, on the other hand, are used for hunting and self-defense. When an electric eel senses a fish nearby, it can release a burst of electricity, stunning the prey momentarily and allowing it to swim in for the capture. Interestingly, electric eels are also social creatures. They can interact with each other using electric signals. In social contexts, these pulses help them establish dominance or indicate readiness to mate. Their communication is complex, with various patterns of electric pulses conveying different messages. This form of communication is particularly useful in the murky waters of the Amazon, where visibility is low and traditional forms of signaling through sight or sound would be ineffective. In order to sustain their electric production, electric eels require a diet rich in protein. They primarily feed on smaller fish, amphibians, and invertebrates. When hunting, an electric eel can use a combination of its electric shocks and stealthy swimming to surprise its prey. Once stunned, the eel can swallow its meal whole. Electric eels have adapted to their environments in fascinating ways. For instance, they can thrive in waters with very low oxygen levels, thanks to their ability to gulp air at the surface. In fact, electric eels can consume air through specialized structures in their mouths, allowing them to survive even in water that would be inhospitable to other fish. This combination of electric sensing and adaptability makes the electric eel a true marvel of the aquatic world. It showcases how different sensory capabilities can enhance survival and predation. So the next time you think of traditional senses like sight, sound, or touch, remember that in the vast underwater realm, electric eels are navigating their world through a completely different lens. One that allows them to experience their environment in ways that are both alien and awe-inspiring. Next on our exploration of unique sensory organs is the octopus, a truly remarkable marine creature that possesses not just one, but many extraordinary senses, including the ability to taste with its skin. While humans rely primarily on their mouths and noses to experience flavors, octopuses have developed specialized cells in their skin that are sensitive to chemicals in the water. This means that they can taste their surroundings simply by touching objects with their tentacles. Imagine being able to savor flavors and detect chemicals just by reaching out with your fingertips. When an octopus encounters prey or interacts with its environment, it can use its sensitive suckers to gather information about the chemical composition of its surroundings. This capability is crucial for finding food, as it allows the octopus to identify potential meals hidden among rocks or coral. If a tasty crab is lurking nearby, the octopus can sense it through its skin, guiding its hunting strategy. Moreover, octopuses have an incredible ability to change color and texture thanks to specialized skin cells known as chromatophores. These cells can expand or contract to create an array of colors, patterns, and textures, allowing the octopus to blend seamlessly with its surroundings or communicate with other octopuses. This visual adaptability is not just for camouflage. It also plays a significant role in their social interactions. By altering their appearance, they can signal aggression, submission, or readiness to mate, showcasing a form of communication that transcends verbal language. What's even more impressive is that octopuses have a decentralized nervous system. While they have a central brain, much of their processing power is located in their arms, giving them an extraordinary level of dexterity and autonomy. Each arm can operate independently, exploring the environment, tasting, and even manipulating objects, allowing the octopus to multitask effectively. This unique arrangement empowers them to engage in complex behaviors, such as opening jars or using tools, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability. Octopuses are often seen as one of the most intelligent invertebrates, and their sensory capabilities only add to their intrigue. They navigate their underwater worlds with a combination of tactile, chemical, and visual senses, making them masters of adaptation in environments where many other creatures would struggle. Their ability to taste with their skin, communicate through color, and manipulate their surroundings serves as a fascinating reminder of the diversity of sensory experiences within the animal kingdom. The octopus challenges us to rethink our understanding of intelligence and perception, revealing that there are countless ways to experience and interact with the world around us. Have you ever wondered how some creatures see the world in colors and details that are completely invisible to us? Meet the mantis shrimp, a dazzling marine crustacean that boasts an extraordinary visual system, allowing it to perceive light in ways that far surpass human capabilities. Found in the shallow waters of tropical and subtropical oceans, Mantis shrimp are not only known for their vibrant colors, but also for their specialized eyes that can detect polarized light and see a spectrum of colors that humans cannot even begin to fathom. Mantis shrimp possess compound eyes, each divided into 3 sections. What sets them apart from other creatures is their incredible number of photoreceptors. Some species have up to 16, compared to the mere 3 types in human eyes. This allows mantis shrimp to see wavelengths of light from ultraviolet to infrared, giving them an unparalleled ability to discern colors. As a result, they can identify differences in colors that are imperceptible to us. This ability plays a crucial role in their communication, mating, and hunting behaviors. The mantis shrimp's vision is not only about color. They can also detect polarized light, which helps them detect prey more effectively. This unique perception allows them to see through the glare of the water surface, enabling them to spot prey camouflaged among the corals and rocks. This visual prowess makes them formidable hunters, as they can ambush their prey with astonishing accuracy. These remarkable crustaceans are also known for their powerful strikes. With specialized appendages called raptorial claws, they can deliver blows that are faster than a bullet, capable of breaking through shells or stunning prey in milliseconds. This combination of speed and precision is complemented by their incredible eyesight, allowing them to time their strikes perfectly. Moreover, mantis shrimp are not solitary creatures. They display complex social behaviors, often engaging in intricate courtship rituals that involve color displays and body language. Their vibrant exoskeletons can change colors to signal different intentions or emotions, making their interactions highly dynamic. In addition to their extraordinary vision and striking abilities, mantis shrimp play an essential ecological role in their habitats. They help to control the populations of various marine organisms, including mollusks and crustaceans, contributing to the balance of their ecosystems. In essence, the mantis shrimp challenges our understanding of vision and sensory perception. With their amazing eyes that can detect a broader spectrum of light and their remarkable hunting techniques, they exemplify the incredible adaptations that evolution can produce. The mantis shrimp not only captivates marine biologists, but also serves as a reminder of how diverse and complex life can be beneath the ocean's surface. Let's now delve into the fascinating world of sharks, creatures often lauded for their powerful sense of smell, but they possess a hidden sense that is even more astonishing: the ability to detect electrical fields in the water. This remarkable organ, known as the ampullae of Lorenzini, allows sharks to sense the weak electrical signals generated by all living creatures, from prey to potential mates. Imagine being able to see through the electric pulses emitted by every creature around you. The ampullae of Lorenzini are small, jelly-filled pores located on the shark's snout and head. These organs are finely tuned to detect minute electrical fields, enabling sharks to locate prey even when it is hidden beneath the sand or in dense vegetation. When a fish or any other creature moves, it generates tiny electrical signals due to muscle contractions and nerve impulses. Sharks can pick up on these subtle cues from a significant distance, giving them a substantial advantage in hunting. This electrical sense is particularly useful when hunting in murky waters where visibility is compromised. For example, during a hunt, A shark can swim close to the ocean floor, relying on its ampullae to detect the electrical signals of fish buried in the sand. This ability allows them to execute sneak attacks with precision, showcasing their mastery of the marine environment. Sharks also use their keen sense of smell to complement their electrical detection capabilities. They can detect blood in the water from miles away, and the combination of olfactory and electrical senses creates an unparalleled hunting strategy that few other predators can match. In fact, it's estimated that sharks can detect 1 part of blood in 100 million parts of water. This extreme sensitivity allows them to be efficient hunters, tracking down prey even when it is injured or stressed. Moreover, the ampullae of Lorenzini play a crucial role beyond hunting. They also help sharks navigate their environment. They can sense changes in the Earth's electromagnetic field, assisting them in their long migrations across oceans. This remarkable ability highlights the intricate ways in which sharks have adapted to their habitats, demonstrating that their survival strategies are deeply rooted in the unique sensory adaptations they possess. Sharks embody the notion that perception is multifaceted. They do not rely solely on sight or smell to navigate their world. Their combination of electrical and chemical senses allows them to thrive in diverse marine ecosystems, proving that adaptability is key to survival. Sharks are not just fearsome predators. They are also sophisticated navigators with an array of sensory tools that enable them to dominate the oceans. Imagine a creature that can regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart and brain. Meet the axolotl, a fascinating salamander native to the lakes of Mexico, which possesses remarkable regenerative capabilities that have captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike. Unlike most amphibians, the axolotl remains in its larval form throughout its life, retaining its gills and aquatic lifestyle, a phenomenon known as neoteny. Axolotls have a unique ability to regenerate not only limbs, but also organs and tissues. When an axolotl loses a limb, it does not experience scar formation like most animals. Instead, it can regrow the entire limb, including bones, muscles, blood vessels, and skin, in a matter of weeks. This regeneration is not merely superficial. The new limb is fully functional and indistinguishable from the original. Scientists are studying the mechanisms behind this extraordinary ability to understand how regeneration works and how it may be applied to medical science. The axolotl's regenerative process involves several stages. After an injury, a blastema is formed, a mass of cells that can develop into various tissue types. This blastema gives rise to new tissues, guided by the axolotl's genetic instructions, allowing it to regrow limbs with precision. Researchers believe understanding the genetic and molecular pathways responsible for regeneration in axolotls could lead to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine for humans, particularly in treating injuries or diseases that result in tissue loss. In addition to their regenerative prowess, axolotls possess unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their aquatic environment. Their external gills, which appear as feathery appendages around their heads, are used for respiration, extracting oxygen from the water. Axolotls can also breathe through their skin and lungs, but their gills are particularly important for life in their lake habitats. While axolotls are fully aquatic, they are affected by environmental conditions in their native lakes. Pollution and habitat destruction have led to significant declines in their populations in the wild, making them critically endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique creatures and their habitats, including breeding programs in captivity to ensure their survival. The axolotl's unique characteristics and regenerative abilities continue to inspire researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. As a symbol of resilience and adaptability, this extraordinary amphibian reminds us of the incredible potential of life to adapt and regenerate, offering hope for future advancements in science and medicine. In conclusion, the axolotl stands out not only for its striking appearance, but also for its remarkable regenerative capabilities. This enigmatic creature challenges our understanding of biology and regeneration, paving the way for exciting discoveries that could benefit both humans and the broader scientific community. What if I told you there's a mammal that can detect electric fields generated by its prey? Say hello to the platypus, an extraordinary creature that showcases the wonders of evolution with its unique sensory capabilities. Native to eastern Australia, the platypus is one of the few monotremes, mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. This semi-aquatic creature possesses a combination of features that make it truly remarkable, including its ability to sense electric fields through specialized receptors in its bill. The platypus has a flat, duck bill that is lined with sensitive electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini. These receptors allow the platypus to detect the electric impulses generated by the muscles and nerves of prey hidden underwater. As it swims with its eyes and ears closed, relying solely on its bill, the platypus can hunt effectively in the dark, murky waters where visibility is limited. This adaptation is particularly beneficial for locating small invertebrates like shrimp and worms, which are often buried in the riverbed. When hunting, the platypus paddles through the water using its webbed feet, stirring up sediment and uncovering potential prey. As it forages, it senses the electrical signals emitted by its targets, allowing it to accurately pinpoint their location. Once the platypus has identified a meal, it quickly snaps its bill shut to capture food. In addition to its electroreception, the platypus has a highly developed sense of touch. Its bill contains thousands of mechanoreceptors that respond to touch, vibrations, and pressure changes. This combination of electroreception and tactile sensitivity makes the platypus an incredibly efficient hunter in its aquatic environment. The platypus is also known for its unique reproductive strategy. After laying eggs, the mother incubates them in a burrow, and once they hatch, she nurses the young by secreting milk from mammary glands. The young platypuses lap up the milk, which pools in grooves on the mother's skin, showcasing yet another fascinating aspect of this creature's biology. Furthermore, the platypus has a unique defense mechanism. Males possess venomous spurs on their hind legs. While the venom is not lethal to humans, it can cause severe pain and swelling. This adaptation serves as a means of defense against predators, and may also play a role in competition among males during the breeding season. In summary, the platypus is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity, equipped with sensory abilities that allow it to thrive in its environment. With its ability to detect electric fields, unparalleled foraging methods, and unique reproductive strategies, the platypus challenges our understanding of what it means to be a mammal. This extraordinary creature not only captures our imagination, but also highlights the incredible diversity of life that exists on our planet. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to perceive the world in ways that humans cannot? Meet the elephant, a creature renowned not just for its size, but also for its extraordinary sense of hearing and ability to communicate through infrasound. Elephants can produce sounds at frequencies below the range of human hearing, allowing them to communicate over long distances, even several miles. These low-frequency rumbles, often referred to as infrasound, are used to convey a range of emotions and messages, from warning their herd of impending danger to coordinating movements with family members far away. But how do they utilize this unique ability? Elephants have large, sensitive ears that pick up these low-frequency sounds, which can travel through the ground as vibrations. When they stomp their feet, they send seismic signals, which other elephants can detect through sensitive receptors in their feet. This means that even if one elephant is miles away, it can still be aware of the presence and emotional state of another. Imagine walking through a forest and feeling the vibrations of a friend's voice even before you can hear it. This ability not only enhances their social bonds, but is crucial for survival in the wild, where communication can mean the difference between life and death. In addition to hearing, elephants possess a remarkable sense of smell, which is believed to be one of the best in the animal kingdom. They can detect water sources from miles away, allowing them to find sustenance in arid environments. Their trunks are equipped with an incredible number of olfactory receptors, more than 2,000. This heightened olfactory ability is essential for identifying food and potential mates, as well as distinguishing between safe and dangerous environments. They can even sense the emotional state of other elephants through their sense of smell, picking up on pheromones that signal stress or excitement. The combination of these senses allows elephants to navigate their habitats in ways humans can hardly fathom. For instance, during mating season, a female elephant exudes certain pheromones that signal her readiness to breed. Male elephants can detect these scents from long distances and will travel great lengths to reach her. This olfactory communication plays a vital role in reproduction and the continuation of species, emphasizing how critical these senses are for their survival and social structure. Ultimately, elephants are a living testament to the wonders of adaptation. Their unique sensory abilities not only enrich their lives, but also enhance their survival in the wild. They remind us that perception is not limited to what we can see and hear, but includes a vast world of signals and vibrations we cannot even begin to comprehend. In a way, elephants are natural communicators, using their extraordinary senses to maintain connections with their environment and each other in ways that are both fascinating and essential for their existence. Now, let's shift our focus to the incredible world of bats, often misunderstood creatures that possess a sense humans could only dream of: echolocation. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, and they have evolved to use sound in a way that allows them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. By emitting high-frequency sound waves, bats can determine the location, size, shape, and even texture of objects around them simply by listening for the echoes that bounce back. This remarkable ability enables them to fly at high speeds through dense forests or dark caves, while avoiding obstacles and hunting for prey. Imagine being able to see your surroundings, not through your eyes, but through sound. When a bat emits a sonar pulse, it travels through the air and reflects off any objects in its vicinity. The bat listens intently for the returning echoes, processing the information almost instantaneously. Depending on how long it takes for the echo to return, the bat can gauge the distance to an object. The frequency of the echo also provides information about the size and texture of the object, distinguishing between a tiny insect and a larger obstacle like a tree or cave wall. This echolocation system is so sophisticated that bats can even differentiate between various types of prey. For example, different insects produce unique echo patterns when the sound waves hit them, allowing the bat to identify which insect it should pursue. Some bats can even adjust their calls based on the distance to their prey, changing the frequency to optimize their hunting strategy. Bats use this incredible sense not just for hunting, but also for communication. They can emit social calls that convey information to other bats within their colony, helping them maintain social bonds and coordinate their activities. This aspect of echolocation demonstrates how sound serves multiple functions in their lives, allowing them to thrive in environments where vision is limited. Echolocation highlights a fascinating aspect of animal evolution, the ability to adapt to ecological niches that others cannot inhabit. Bats have found a successful strategy for living in dark environments, showcasing the resilience and ingenuity of nature. Their unique talents provide insight into the complexity of the animal kingdom and challenge our understanding of perception. Imagine the world from a bat's perspective, a rich tapestry of sounds, echoes, and social interactions existing in a realm beyond sight, where darkness becomes a canvas for navigation and communication. Lastly, let's explore the incredible world of the star-nosed mole, a unique creature that has pushed the boundaries of sensory perception to an entirely new level. Known for its distinctive star-shaped nose, this small mammal has evolved a highly complex tactile system that allows it to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Living primarily in wetland areas, the star-nosed mole relies on touch rather than sight to find food and interact with its environment, showcasing an astonishing adaptation to its subterranean lifestyle. The star-nosed mole's most notable feature is its 22 fleshy appendages that encircle its nose, creating a star-like appearance. This remarkable structure is packed with an abundance of sensory receptors, making it one of the most sensitive tactile organs in the animal kingdom. When the mole digs through the mud or soil in search of prey, it uses its star nose to explore its surroundings, detecting vibrations and textures that would go unnoticed by other creatures. Imagine navigating your environment with such precision that you can identify objects merely by touch. The star-nosed mole can identify and assess potential food sources within milliseconds, a feat made possible by its remarkable brain, which is specially adapted to process tactile information rapidly. In fact, the star-nosed mole can touch and identify multiple objects simultaneously, an ability that enhances its foraging efficiency. It mainly feeds on small invertebrates, such as earthworms and aquatic insects, and its exceptional sense of touch allows it to locate and consume these prey quickly. What makes the star-nosed mole fascinating is its unique way of detecting food. As it tunnels through the soil, it can sense the electrical impulses generated by living organisms, much like how sharks detect electrical fields. This ability provides the mole with crucial information about the location and movement of its prey, enhancing its hunting success in the dark, damp environments it inhabits. Moreover, the star-nosed mole's adaptability extends beyond just its physical senses. It also showcases remarkable behavioral adaptations. For example, when foraging, it can swim effortlessly, using its star nose to detect prey in the water. This versatility allows the mole to thrive not only in terrestrial habitats, but also in aquatic environments, demonstrating its resilience as a forager. In summary, the star-nosed mole embodies the concept that perception can be both intricate and multifaceted. Its extraordinary tactile abilities highlight the incredible adaptations that mammals can develop in response to their environments. The unique combination of touch, sensitivity, and behavioral flexibility allows the star-nosed mole to navigate its world with astonishing efficiency. As it scurries through the underbrush or swims in shallow waters, the mole serves as a vivid reminder that survival is not solely determined by sight or sound, but by the depth of sensory experience that can reshape the way creatures interact with their surroundings. What if I told you there's a creature so unique it has evolved a special way to find food that seems almost like magic? Meet the eye, a fascinating lemur native to Madagascar. This nocturnal animal possesses several extraordinary adaptations, one of which is its specialized method of foraging, known as percussive foraging. The eye has an elongated middle finger that it uses to tap on tree trunks and branches, listening for the echoes that indicate the presence of larvae or insects hidden inside. This remarkable adaptation allows it to detect the hollow spaces where its prey resides. Once it identifies a promising location, the eye uses its sharp teeth to gnaw through the bark, creating an opening to extract its meal. The eye's incredible sense of hearing complements its unique foraging technique. Its large, sensitive ears can pick up subtle sounds, allowing it to hone in on the vibrations created by insects moving within the wood. This combination of hearing and tactile sensing makes the eye an expert at locating food in the dense forests of Madagascar. However, the eye's unique appearance and foraging method have led to misconceptions and superstitions among local people, who often view it as a harbinger of bad luck. This misunderstanding has put the eye at risk, as it is sometimes killed due to fear and superstition. Despite its unusual traits, the eye is an essential part of its ecosystem, helping control insect populations and contributing to forest health. Additionally, the eye's evolution showcases the incredible adaptability of life. It serves as a reminder that nature often leads to unexpected and beautiful solutions to survival challenges. The eye's specialized adaptations demonstrate how species can thrive in specific environments through unique evolutionary paths. So, the next time you hear about strange animals, remember the eye, a creature that embodies the wonders of nature's creativity and resilience. Did you know that pigeons possess a remarkable ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field? These incredible birds have an innate sense of direction that allows them to find their way home over long distances, often returning to their nests from hundreds of miles away. How do they do it? Pigeons have specialized cells in their beaks that contain magnetite, a magnetic mineral that interacts with the Earth's magnetic fields. This allows them to perceive magnetic fields as a form of orientation, guiding them on their journeys. In addition to their magnetic sense, pigeons also rely on visual cues and olfactory signals to navigate. They can recognize landmarks, remember routes, and even detect scents in the air to help them identify their location. When combined, these sensory abilities make pigeons exceptional navigators, providing them with a sophisticated toolkit to traverse complex environments. Interestingly, scientific studies have shown that pigeons can even map their surroundings in their brains, allowing them to create mental maps of their territory. This impressive capacity for navigation has made pigeons invaluable to humans throughout history, from message carriers in wartime to beloved pets today. Their keen sense of direction, enhanced by their unique sensory organs, showcases the fascinating adaptations of nature and provides insight into the capabilities of avian species. As we learn more about pigeons and their remarkable navigation skills, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate ways in which animals interact with their environment and the extraordinary adaptations that enable them to thrive. What if vision were not the only way to navigate your environment? Meet the blind cave fish, a fascinating species that has adapted to life in complete darkness. Found in the underwater caves of Central America, these fish have evolved to lose their eyesight entirely over generations, relying instead on other senses to survive in their pitch-black habitats. The absence of light in these caves posed a unique challenge that led to the development of alternative sensory adaptations. Blind cave fish have developed enhanced lateral lines, a series of sensory organs running along their bodies that detect vibrations and movements in the water. This allows them to navigate through their dark environment, locate food, and even sense potential predators. They can pick up the faintest changes in water pressure, enabling them to see their surroundings without the need for sight. This adaptation transforms their perception of the world, highlighting that many animals can thrive even when deprived of one of their primary senses. These fish also exhibit notable behavioral changes due to their environment. They often cluster together in schools, which helps them maintain spatial awareness and enhances their chances of locating food. Their diet primarily consists of small invertebrates, which they find by sensing vibrations in the water. This reliance on the lateral line system allows them to hunt effectively in darkness, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of life. The loss of eyesight in blind cave fish raises interesting questions about evolution and adaptation. Over generations, they have developed physical traits that reflect their environment: smaller bodies, reduced pigmentation, and, of course, the complete absence of functional eyes. Their situation prompts us to consider how different environments shape the evolution of species, reminding us that survival is not solely about having the strongest or fastest traits, but about adapting to the unique challenges presented by one's habitat. Despite their lack of eyesight, blind cave fish thrive in their subterranean ecosystems, proving that life can flourish in even the most extreme conditions. The story of these remarkable creatures inspires us to appreciate the diversity of sensory adaptations found in nature, expanding our understanding of what it means to see in a world filled with different perspectives. As we explore these incredible adaptations, we will uncover the secrets of animals that can detect electrical signals in the water, perceive ultraviolet light, or even sense the Earth's magnetic field. Each revelation will take us deeper into the minds of these extraordinary beings and challenge our notions of perception. These senses are not just fascinating, they are essential tools for survival, allowing these animals to navigate, hunt, and communicate in environments that remain hidden from our own limited senses. The implications of these adaptations remind us that the natural world is far more intricate and interconnected than we often realize. Today, we've journeyed through the sensory marvels of creatures whose perceptions go far beyond our own. From the electric senses of the stingray to the navigational prowess of migratory birds, these adaptations highlight the boundless creativity of nature. If this exploration of unseen worlds has sparked your curiosity, make sure to like and subscribe for more captivating stories that delve into the wonders of the animal kingdom. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these extraordinary senses surprised you the most? Are there any other creatures you think we should include in this exploration of nature's hidden talents? Share your thoughts in the comments below.